Scenario number 1, Carol Johnson. Some of the organization factors that Carol must consider when preparing to teach an online class are: number 1, she must set up the course of how she would like it to go at least a semester or 6 months prior before it starts. This way she can ensure that she is thoroughly prepared. Number 2, she must have her syllabus ready and prepared for the students at least a week or 2 prior before the class begins. Number 3, she must make sure all instructions are clear for each assignment. That would ensure that all students understand what is expected. Number 4, communications. Carol must ask herself what is the best way she would like her students to communicate with her. And she must also encourage students to ask questions. And number 5, grading assignments. Carol must understand that she does not have the luxury of being able to explain things and answer questions, so it is very important to give feedback when grading assignments. Also, she will have to grade assignments as soon as possible rather than the traditional classroom, so that the students will understand what it is they need to improve on, since it is not a classroom that meets on a regular schedule. Another thing she would have to do at the beginning of class is she needs to set up her ground rules for etiquette or netiquette. She needs to make sure the students know what is expected of them as far as communicating within each other, and proper rules on communicating and talking to each other. One other thing she needs to make sure is that all the students know all the resources that are available through the school and how to be able to access them, and if they have access for all those things. So those are some of the things that you would have to consider when you're starting an online course.